Is your car acting like it is stuck in slow motion while burning through gas like crazy? You might have a lazy oxygen sensor causing a P015D code that is messing with your engine's brain. This is a generic code for vehicles made after 1996, like Ford, Chevrolet, GIEMC, and Toyota. A P015D means the powertrain control module is frustrated because the oxygen sensor on bank 2, sensor 1, is responding way too slowly when it tries to switch from a lean to a rich fuel mixture. Bank 2 is just the side of the engine that does not have the number 1 cylinder, and sensor 1 is the upstream sensor located before the catalytic converter. These sensors are pretty cool inside, using a zirconium dioxide element and platinum electrodes to create a small voltage. As exhaust flows over the outside and fresh air stays on the inside, oxygen ions jump back and forth between the layers of platinum. This movement creates a voltage signal that tells the computer if the engine has too much fuel, which we call rich, or too little fuel, which we call lean. High voltage means rich, and low voltage means lean. The computer needs this information to perfectly time your fuel injectors and spark plugs. If that sensor gets sluggish, your fuel efficiency will tank, and you will feel a general lack of engine performance. You might also see the service engine soon lamp pop up on your dashboard. Usually, the sensor itself is just worn out, but you could also have burnt or broken wires, a cracked exhaust manifold leaking air, or even a failing catalytic converter. When you start troubleshooting, always fix any engine misfire or mass airflow sensor codes first, because a bad running engine will confuse the oxygen sensors. Look at the wiring harnesses near the hot exhaust pipes, because they often melt or chafe against sharp edges. Use a scanner to watch the live data and see if the voltage is regularly jumping between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts while the engine idles at normal temperature. If the voltage stays steady or moves like a snail, use your digital volt ohm meter to check the sensor ground and signal wires. If the sensor is definitely slow, replace it with a high-quality part, because cheap ones often fail quickly. If you're not comfortable testing live electrical circuits while the engine is hot, this is a great time to visit your local mechanic.